Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Friday, August 18th, and we're going to take a look at RBOB, or gasoline, unleaded gasoline futures, and talk a little bit about what's going on with this market and what we're looking at here for potentially next week, seeing this market really jump. So first off, it's only 2 o'clock in the afternoon right now, or just about 2 o'clock. So there's still a bit of time for this market to move before it closes, but it's looking good, and I don't expect it to move that much away from where we are. So that being said, yesterday we had a hammer, and RBOB jumped quite a bit. All right, we jumped today off of that hammer. Now, crude oil and heating oil also jumped with it, but the main thing I want to point out here is let's look at this weekly price chart. All right, we went from a nice downtrend, putting in lower highs, lower lows, right, with bearish momentum. And over the past month and a half, 2 months, we've shifted momentum, and now we have bullish momentum. Our upside strength is strengthening, our indicator line is strengthening, and we're forming an inflection here and what we call a bull flag. So a bull flag is the rally and then the consolidation, and if we break this week's high next week, that would trigger the flag and suggest it continues to climb. Now, the other interesting thing about RBOB here is we have broken through the previous pivot high, so we're no longer in lower high, lower low downtrend on the weeklies. So we're now consolidation / reversal, and we have a really nice hammer here on the weeklies that also suggests it's going to break higher. So what do we watch for now with this market? Well, we have the hammer on the weeklies, we have the bull flag set up, we have the bullish inflection, we have the resistance break, all good things. It has to trigger by breaking this week's high next week. Once it triggers, the first test is going to be, can we get through the previous high at 5669? Once we're through there, then we're looking at going all the way up to 1.6. Once we're through there, all the way back up to the highs at 1.686. So this move could just be getting started, and we're looking at potentially seeing over the next month or two, RBOB, crude oil, heating oil, all climb quite a bit off of this type of setup. So be keeping an eye on that. It's looking good so far. That's all I have for you for today, though. I hope you enjoy it. Hope you have a great weekend. I'll see you in the trading room bright and early on Monday morning. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy trading.